Stock Target Advisor is the only online platform which allows you to screen over 100,000 stocks, not only by the most common fundamental and technical metrics, but also by analyst ratings and targets, and how the stocks rank against their peers on key financial metrics. With a few clicks, you can do the analysis, which can take professional financial analysts hours or days to complete, even with access to expensive platforms such as Bloomberg and Icon. Start by selecting Stock Screener from the Smart Screens menu at the top. The screener shows the two most common screens, security type and security profile, initially. You can open more screens, such as returns, valuation ratios, management effectiveness ratios and analyst targets, by clicking on the More Screening Criteria button. You can then select the values for each screen. For example, let's assume you want to find American banking stocks on the New York Stock Exchange, which have medium capitalization, beta between 0 and 1, high return on equity, medium to high dividend yield, and at a minimum, a buy rating from analysts. Reset the filter if it already has values in it. Then, select NYE under exchange and stock under security type. Then select all the bank-related sectors, such as banks, banks regional, and banks diversified, under industry. Then, select medium under market cap, medium and high under dividend yield, and 0 to 1 under beta. Then, open the management effectiveness screen under more screening criteria, and select 10% to 20% under return on equity. Lastly, open the analyst targets screen under more screening criteria and select buy and strong buy under average analyst rating. The filter will screen and show the stocks that match the criteria you selected. For example, on the date this video was made, only 4 banks met these criteria. The table with the screen stocks has many tabs, and you can switch between them to see and compare the returns, volatility, valuation ratios, management effectiveness ratios, profitability and growth metrics and analyst ratings for the screen stocks. Paying users can click on Download CSV to download this data into a spreadsheet for further analysis. They can also save a filter, so it can be used again in future. You can also see how these stocks rank against each other and against their peers by clicking on the Ranking by Industry button. The table will switch to a ranking view, which will show you how the stocks rank on each of the metrics for their sector. For example, let us assume you only want to focus on the bank that has the best revenue and the best earning growth among this group of 4. Simply click on the Profitability and Growth tab, and you will see that the First Horizon National Corporation ranks at the top on both revenue growth and earning growth in the past 5 years. It looks like a good stock to delve into further. You can click on its symbol, and Stock Target Advisor will take you to its detailed analysis page, where you can see that the market analysts also have a strong buy rating on it, with an average price upside of 41.6%. So, there you go. You have done the same analysis in a few minutes, which would have taken you hours, if not days, on another platform. Thank you for watching. We hope that you find Stock Target Advisor's Stock Screener a good tool to go to every day as you research and evaluate your investment decisions. You can find more tutorials on our YouTube channel and our website.